Change of plans kami today because my head hurts and masakit din kasi yung back ko from my workout.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga zoobs! Mga zoobs! What's happening to me? Mga zoobs, hello sa inyong lahat. It's Friday dito sa Adelaide. Friday na, my gosh, ang bilis ng araw. Parang no Monday, birthday ko lang. So today, si Aliyah ay may check-up sa kanyang pediatrician dentist. Nakakuha kami ng appointment kasi by appointment po ito. So nabanggit ko doon sa inyo na namamaga yung kanyang isang face. Pero ano na lang, ang tawag dito, hindi na siya masyadong maga ngayon dahil naka-antibiotic siya. Pero, i-check yung teeth niya kasi pwedeng yun talaga yung main reason kung bakit namamaga siya if may infection. So, if meron, parang there's chance na ito ay bubunutin. So, hopefully, hindi na kasi sana ano na lang siya, napudpud na lang or whatever. Kawawa din naman kasi kung bubunutin. So, ayan. Pupunta na tayo ngayon. And, syempre, kasama ko kayo sa buong araw natin. Kaya, halika na!
Guys, we just got here to Unley. This is one of Adelaide's most expensive and sought after areas, and you can see why. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a bit windy today, but Mimi wanted to go for a walk. She didn't want to stay in the car, so I thought I'd show you our little walk. You can see here, like, the houses are really very...
Look.
It's nice, no?
Look, it's a dog.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a big dog.
Yeah, so majority of the houses here are very heritage looking. Heritage meaning, I guess, from what Adelaide used to look like back in the day. So a lot of these, they cannot change the look. They cannot make it any more modern. It's got to keep that same old Adelaide aesthetic. So we're just walking now. We'll see you in a minute. What are you doing? Thank you. You go play here.
Hi guys! Change of plans kami today because my head hurts and masakit din kasi yung back ko from my workout the other day pa. So, I'll just rest na lang. So, uwi na muna kami. And pahinga ako para makapag-workout ako mamaya siguro. So, yun. Tapos na kami sa Sweet Lemon.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay?
What's up, mga zoobs? So King is doing his dancing session with our good friend Chev, who we actually haven't seen for like about a year now. And because I felt like the kids are going to become a bit of a distraction, I decided we're going to go to the gas station and buy some, well, we're pretty much there every day anyway, but we're going there, and Diana's a little bit sick, so she's going to be resting in bed for now. Because our plan was actually to go to the city, and she started to get a bit of a headache, so when we got in the car we decided we would just make a trip home. She'll rest up, King will do his lesson, and yeah, we're gonna go now. We're gonna get some food. Yeah, but Mimi's probably not gonna get food, to be honest. She's gonna get probably ice cream. I'm gonna get an energy drink, because if I can, I will try to gym early, which would be good. But yeah, let's go. So we pulled over here by the beach. You can see the boat. Oh, you can see an airplane as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Hi.
So we pulled over here to the beach. Showing them ice cream. Mim was going nuts in the gas station earlier because she was so indecisive. I'm guessing because she's sleepy. But yeah, she's happy now. So we're just looking at the view here.
I got 3 things.
It's an amazing view.
I want to show them what I got.
It might be a bit too dark in the back there, babe.
I got this Hot Wheels. I got 40 stars and I got Cheetos.
Nice. It's so black. Can't see because the light's facing this way, that's why. So yeah, we're just here at Summerton Park. Beautiful. Mimi enjoying the view. You like the view?
Yes. Look, it's a big airplane.
Huh?
Airplane.
Yeah.
It's a big airplane.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ayun guys, so we'll just relax here muna while Mummy takes a nap. And then sana gym. So what's up guys, I just got here to Subway and I picked up a couple sandwiches. So Diana, like I said earlier, was not feeling very well, so we decided to, well, she decided that she would have a day off from the gym and I headed off to the gym. So I had a pretty good session, did a big legs day. It was a lot of energy, to be honest. Legs day takes a lot of energy out of me, but I ended up getting a marinara meatball sandwich, which is one of my favorites. It's probably the only thing I ever order at Subway, to be honest. And I got it on Italian bread with a bit of cheese and salt. And I got Diana a tuna melt, which is one of her favorites. She got avocados and pickles and some spinach, which I think maybe she must be craving for it at the moment. But yeah, just my after fitness meal, after workout meal. But yeah, at the moment I'm not fully on a diet. I'm eating well, but I'm still having a little bit of treats in between. I don't really consider Subway a treat because, you know, for the most part it's healthy. You get to choose what you want in it. But tonight I wanted a bit of flavor, so I got the marinara. And the bread, well, I just finished a big workout, so a little bit of carbs won't hurt. So I'm gonna head home, got a protein shake as well, and we'll probably just chill tonight and maybe watch a movie because she's not feeling well. So hopefully tomorrow she's feeling better, because I know that she has a planned dinner. So yeah, hopefully she gets better in the morning so that she can go off to that tomorrow. So I'm gonna head home.
I'm feeling a little bit better na guys. Alam nyo, feeling ko, kaya ako nahihilo kasi nagpa-fasting ako. It's been 5 days since I'm fasting at nadiretso ko talaga siya. So, isang side effect yan na nangyayari sa akin. So, nag-stop na muna ako and then I'll come back again. I'll do it again for another 3 days. Tapos mag-break dapat. But anyway, ikwento ko lang sa inyo yung kaninang ginawa namin dun sa appointment ni Aliyah. So, yung tungkol dun sa ngipin niya, sinabi sa akin na isa nga sa mga reason kung bakit medyo namaga yung cheek niya is may infection yung kanyang mga baby teeth. So, binigyan kami ng option kung ano yung pwede namin gawin. Pwedeng tanggalin siya ng sabay-sabay pero ise-sedate siya. Kung gagawin namin yon, may dalawa kaming option. Yung isa is private hospital, nagagastos kami, may kinote na rin sila, nang aabot kami ng $8,000. Hindi naman kami, wala kaming insurance dito. So, babayaran namin siya ng full. May isa pang option na pwede kaming tumawag sa SA dental dito. Yun naman ay supported by government. Pero, kailangan namin tumawag para pumila. Ibig sabihin, maraming naka-waitlist at hindi namin alam kung hanggang kailan. So, yung kay Aliyah naman, it's not urgent for as long as hindi masakit. So, namaga siya, ibig sabihin may infection, pero hindi siya masakit. So, yun nga, it's up to us kung ano yung pipiliin namin doon dahil baby teeth pa lang naman siya. So, ayun, pag-usapan namin ni Andy kung ano yung pwede namin gawin. Tapos babalik kami dun sa dentist namin ulit kay Dr. Fran. Hihingi kami ng advice kung ano yung pinaka pabor kay Aliyah na gawin. Kasi naawa din naman kami kung isi-sedate siya tapos tatanggalin lahat. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine. Parang medyo, parang di ba kawawa naman. So, ayun. And then, ayun, pagkatapos namin kumain sa Sweet Lemon, guys, umuwi na lang kami. Kasi nga, ewan ko ba? Siguro dahil yun na nga, feeling ko dahil sa fasting. Feeling ko talaga, kasi ever since, parang tuwing nagfa-fast ako, hindi hilo yung gutom eh. Parang siguro sobra. Parang hindi na kinakaya ng katawan ko, ng body ko. Pag tumitigil akong ganyan, nawawala talaga siya. Kaya, ititigil ko na muna. Anyway guys, ang dami ko na namang sinabi. Siyempre gusto ko ikwento sa inyo, diba? So, bukas is another day. I'm feeling better naman na ngayon. And sana maka-workout na ako kasi 2 days na ako din nag-workout. Miss ko na. Kaya yun, medyo nabibusy lately dahil syempre madami tayong ginagawa. And alam niyo naman yan guys, kasama ko naman kayo. So, ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakapanood ng vlog na ito at matulog na tayo. Good night guys! Bye mga zoo!